All right, friends, now that we read about pond life, we got the directions on how to do the little experiment, and you answered some questions about it. I thought it would be kind of fun for science today to actually go to my pond and try what they told us to do. So I brought out the directions, here they are, about what to do. It says that we need some materials. A large glass jar with the lid. Well, there's my jar. Here's my lid. Oops, there's the inside of the lid. A sheet of white paper. Well, I can use the back of this. And a pail. Now, I know that the pail only has to be done for later on when we're adding to it. So I think I'll go ahead and leave that for when we do later and add to it. So the steps, ask an adult to go with you. Well, I'm here. You're with me. We carry the jar to the pond. Check. Done. We're going to carefully dip the jar into the water. All right, here goes. Got my jar. I'm going to dip it into the water. Ugh, that doesn't look like very good water to me. I wonder what will happen with it. All right, let's check our next direction. Put the lid on so it doesn't spill. All right, lid's on so it doesn't spill. Then it says, carry the jar of pond water to your home or school. Take the lid off. Place the jar on a sheet of white paper away from sunlight. Look at the jar every day. Watch the pond life change. Some pond life will eat other pond life. Some will lay eggs you cannot see. New life may suddenly appear. If you want to watch for more than a few days, you'll need to add some fresh pond water. This way the pond life will have food. You can take another jar or pail to get more water. That's where our pail will come in. Then 6, when you're done studying the pond life, return it to its home. Pour what's in the jar back into the pond. All right, friends, I'm going to take our jar of pond water and I'm going to do exactly what the directions say. Now, your job is on the next slide to predict what might happen, because as scientists, that's what we need to do. We make predictions. Once you get your prediction, write it down, what you think will happen with the jar, and don't forget to click submit. Then join me for the afternoon Zoom, and we'll take a look at what this jar of pond water looks like.